What are you doing, James? What's the matter? What's the matter? Are you tired? Are you gonna lay with your sister? Do you wanna lay down with her?
So how's Finn?
Ooh, camera. Camera. Here, lay down. Where's Olivia? There she is. Look, you can see her on there. Say hi, Olivia. Say hi. And do you again? Wow. Wow. There she is. Sectionals. Oh. Look. Here, James, lay down. Look. Where's the baby?
I think she's on her honeymoon after she married herself.
Where's the baby? Baby. Gentle. Oh, you gotta be gentle. Can you give her a kiss? Give her a kiss? Oh, good boy. Give her another kiss. Oh, how nice. Oh, gentle. Baby, yeah. Oh, don't step on her. No. Okay, James, can you say bye-bye?
For our second performance of the program,
James.
From Dalton Academy in Westerville, The Warblers.
The Warblers.
James, can you say bye-bye?